Lucerne.
Lucerne, a city that sits beside a stunning lake and is surrounded by the Swiss Alps, is a dream destination for anyone interested in Swiss history and natural beauty. The Kapellbrücke, a covered wooden bridge that dates back to the 14th century, is the city's symbol and a must-see attraction. As you stroll through the old town, you'll encounter medieval architecture, narrow streets, and picturesque squares. Lake Lucerne, with its crystal-clear waters, offers the perfect backdrop for a relaxing boat ride or a scenic walk along the promenade. For panoramic views of the city and lake, take a ride on the world's steepest cogwheel railway up to Mount Pilatus. The combination of towering peaks, serene water, and historic landmarks makes Lucerne a destination that's hard to forget. Don't miss the Lion Monument, a moving sculpture carved into a rock face that honors Swiss soldiers who died during the French Revolution. Lucerne's blend of culture, history, and natural beauty offers something for everyone, making it one of Switzerland's most enchanting cities.